up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss J and my daughter name is Faith. We are a family YouTube channel. We do unboxing, we do fashion hauls, we do a little skits, we do shorts, we do reels. We just talk about everyday life here. So if this is the kind of content you love to look at, join the fam. So these sneakers were from Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna unbox them and show you guys the sneakers. So inside, it comes with these Louis Vuitton little dust bags, so you can put your sneakers inside. I also have these shoestrings. Comes with a pack of white shoestrings, just in case you want to switch up your shoestrings, okay? I also have my receipt from the actual Louis Vuitton. This is the other dust bag to keep my sneakers nice and clean. Okay. So this is the Louis Vuitton sneaker that I received. These are number 54s, which are really, really cute. I am going to try them on so I can see exactly how they feel. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion, all right? So these are really, really nice. Y'all know white can go with everything, all right? Nice and clean, nice and white, really, really cute. And then this is the other one. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get a cup of coffee. Sorry. This is the other sneaker. Alright. Drop it in the comments if y'all like Louis Vuitton sneakers, okay? I just love me a good pair of white sneakers. I just think they are just really, really cute. You can cut white with everything. You know, white goes with everything. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how they feel. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. I'll have the link in the description just in case you want to copy them yourself. So let me try these on right now. Let me try them on. I got plans to put in my head in places I ain't never seen, girl, you know what I mean.
Take the talk, take the place, nice and quiet. There ain't no one that turns to up, ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and
okay, my honest opinion, I'm gonna go with a 10. They are super, super comfortable, super cute. I love the color white. You can match it up with anything. Shout out to Bestify for sending me these Louis Vuitton sneakers. Use my code and get 20% off on these sneakers, y'all. I'm telling you that you will love them. They're really cute. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.